Okay, the David Pakman Show subreddit is a great place to chat with and discuss politics with other David Pakman Show viewers. Now more than 11,000 of you subscribed at davidpakman.com/Reddit. I always say in videos that I know are going to get people responding to things I did not say, watch the video first and then comment. Watch the video first and then comment. And unfortunately, someone showed up on our subreddit and posted about my recent Iran, Trump, Venezuela, Russia, Putin video. Has Pakman completely lost it? Trump has to attack Iran to prove he is not putting Russia's interest before America's. And of course, I didn't say any of that. And this is clearly someone who either didn't watch the video or didn't understand it or understood it and is pretending not to have understood it. I am not saying there is any kind of conspiracy between Donald Trump and Putin personally for Trump to take foreign policy actions that Putin has dictated to him. It was a zoomed out view of, in the end, Trump is deferring or ending up with the foreign policy decisions that protect Russia's interests or would be the decisions Putin would prefer. That is as far as I went. It was a correlation discussion, not a causation discussion. Please watch the videos before responding. That should just be a rule. Also on the David Pakman Show subreddit, yes, somebody found images and video of when I produced a basketball skills video. I was not the instructor, you will be glad to know. But I did play the defender and sometimes offensive player to help the instructor. This is when I produced videos for Expert Village and ehow. I was like 22 years old. And if you want to see something really funny, you can find this on our subreddit. You can also find it easily if you follow me on Instagram at david.pakman. It is me holding a basketball, helping out in the production of these basketball basics videos. And it is pretty funny. And listen, at 22, it was good money for producing those instructional videos. I'm glad that I did it. Check those out. And thanks to everybody who has been screenshotting the funniest moments from the videos. Really appreciate waking up every day and seeing that on the subreddit. Join the discussion at davidpakman.com/REDDIT.